In today's video, we are going to show you how to download a live wallpaper from Pinterest on your laptop. If you've ever loved a dynamic wallpaper and wanted to try it out on your laptop, we've got you covered. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials and then go to the search bar and type in live wallpaper. You can browse and search for a live wallpaper you want, but the idea is you want to make sure that the wallpaper is animated and it's moving. Alright? Check on each. Look for videos and not static pages because live wallpapers are usually uploaded as short videos or GIFs. Now, I'm very interested in this Minion live wallpaper. I'm gonna click on it if it's all playing. It takes a little while, so I'm just gonna hover down here instead. I want you to click the pin. Now, on the top corner, I want you to click the share button and then go to the section that says copy link. Alright? If you do that, I want you to go to a reputable website that allows you to enter any Pinterest URL and convert it to a downloadable image. All I have to do is super simple. Click the download button. You can simply go to klickpin.com, click the download button. Alright? Wait for a few minutes. At this point, you want to make sure that you are connected to a stable internet connection or you are not using a VPN or proxy because that could interfere with the downloading. From here, all I have to do is super simple. Click the download video, save it to your computer, and basically that's how you download a live wallpaper from Pinterest on laptop. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.